sitting right by that ledge. Hey, why'd they all get up? Hey, look at them snows for bands, Sam.
Good morning, everyone. It is morning 2 in Canada, and we just woke up. It is about 4:15 in the morning. We got a short drive out to a nice pea field that you guys saw last night. So, a lot of ducks in there. There were specks, snows, and honkers in there as well, and a couple cranes. But they were kind of transitioning into another field that was kitty corner to it, so they might go to that other field right away in the morning, and we may end up hunting that too because it's the same landowner as what we're hunting today. But I think we are going to absolutely smoke the ducks this morning. We will see. We got an edge hide with A-frames, which I'll show you once we get out there, and it's gonna be a good time. A couple more shooters than we had yesterday, so it should be fun. Gonna meet some more new people today and hopefully get her done. We'll see you when we get out to the field.
Kill him. Nice, boy. Good job, boy. Nice, boy.
All right, Ben. That shit kills.
They gotta get down, though. Ready, guys? Kill him! Right on, fellas. Somebody shoot him.
Let's go. No, there's ducks behind if you want.
Still high, guys. Still high. They gotta come down, guys. Too high.
Or out front, locked up.
Ready, guys. Get ready. Get ready. Kill him! Heads up. Fuck, I didn't hit one. Okay, get ready, guys. They're coming. Oh, God. Get ready, guys. They're fucking doing it. Ready? Kill him! Look at that rain, boys! Yes, sir! We're gonna cut right in. Get ready, guys. Ooh, they're hot. They're hot. They're hot. Ready? Kill 'em.
What up, Shooty?
Hey, why is that one so close?
Oh. All right, I did my part. Pennies. Pennies. Just big wads of them.
Right side, they're coming.
Get ready, guys. Get ready, guys. Big group coming on the right. Oh, look at it. Yeah, this is looking good. Come on, set in here. Kill him right there, guys. Alright, guys, hopefully they're steady. There we go. Some on the bottom. Kill him up. Yeah, we better count. Did that one almost hit you or what?
Damn near. It's like right here.
Get ready. They're open right in. Ready, guys? Ready? Kill him. Kill him.
Good night, Jim Kite.
Specs are maple leafing in on the right.
The single's coming back. Do we wait or we shoot?
Land him, there's another one coming.
Back behind him.
Let's shoot that
Kill him.
spec.
Kill that. Honker. There you
There you
go.
Right side. Down to the right. Just stay still. Kill.
Yep.
Get ready, guys. Sam, you got the two on the right? Yep. Kill him.
Hey, Sam.
We got everything but one.
More coming. Just
We got one.
Yeah, he's like right in front of me.
They didn't want to center up, boys. Kill him. Hey, left side. Oh.
here they come.
Kill him, boys. Kill him, boys.
Oh my
Kill the two.
And oh,
Here they come back around. Here we go, 3 pack, 5 pack. Get ready on these 5. Kill them right there, guys. And we got a 5 pack landing behind us. Kill the pair. Kill. Nice.
That one. Right low too, man.
Oh, dude, well, it's hard. I was like, oh my god, you guys gonna kill him? Because like,
well, that is going to wrap up our day. We shot a limit of ducks this morning and a limit of geese this afternoon with some bonus specs. What a day. What a day. That is absolutely unreal. This is a hunter's paradise up here. If you guys haven't been, put it on your list because it's nuts. Like I said, this is my first time up here and it's wild. That's all I got to say, man.
Thank you guys for watching the video. We'll catch you on the next one.